How to receive a call on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, any of the series, either Series 9, Series 10, Apple Watch SE, or whatever series you have, then this video is going to show you how you can easily set up your Apple Watch to start receiving calls on your Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first you want to do is you want to make sure that your Apple Watch and your iPhone are both connected together. So if your Apple Watch and your iPhone are not connected together, you'll not be able to receive your iPhone incoming calls on your Apple Watch. So to do this, just make sure you turn on Bluetooth on your Apple Watch and then also turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. So that is the first thing you want to do. Go to your iPhone settings and Apple Watch settings and enable Bluetooth. Now, once you enable Bluetooth and both devices are connected together, now your Apple Watch will receive notifications from your iPhone each time you have any. So let's say you have an incoming call on your iPhone. Then you should see the same incoming call on your Apple Watch. You say, this is my iPhone and this is my Apple Watch. Now, to answer the incoming call on your Apple Watch, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the green button to pick up the call, or click on the red button to drop the call. You see that? So the call is now active on your Apple Watch. You can transfer this call back to your iPhone or transfer the call from your iPhone back to your Apple Watch. To transfer the call to your iPhone, just go to your iPhone, locate the Time Dynamic Island and click on it. Once you click on the Time Dynamic Island on your iPhone, then you should see the call transfer to your iPhone. Now, if you want to transfer the call back from your iPhone to your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is this. Locate the call icon on the Apple Watch and click on it. Then once you click on it, you should see this arrow asking you to transfer the call back to your Apple Watch. To transfer it, click on it. Then you should see what that says transfer call to Apple Watch. Then click on yes. Then you should see the call transfer from your iPhone back to your Apple Watch. Now, to increase the volume of the call on your Apple Watch, just use the trick crown and then rotate it up. You see that? To reduce it, repeat downward. So that is basically how to receive calls on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.